Do you have to display your sexy legs to everyone on the road?
So the tiller, this is how it looks. See here. Didn't do the best job of it, so I'm going to sand it down and re-oil it. This is because it rained after we did it and it was still wet, so I'm going to give it a nice sand down. It's not the smoothest as well, so but give it another go.
As you all know, Mark was doing some woodwork, so he had some left over. I also find my needs for like a tiny small chopping board for some garlic and onion. So I'm gonna make my own wood project. Now I'm only an apprentice. Here comes my wood master.
Yeah. This is the age-old knee technique. You don't need a vice when you've got a knee. Get a nice starting groove. Oh, oh my god.
The master is so good at this. In less than 3 minutes, he's got 3 sides chopped off. 谢谢老板。
没有问题。
How much do I owe you?
3块钱。
Very cheap. Alright, now the work begins.
Be careful of that real teak. Do you know how expensive that teak is? So now I'm cleaning out the cockpit properly. I've gone underneath, obviously there was a big piece of wood here, down here on the floor. I'm just scraping out all the cracked paint, getting all the filth out of the sides of the locker. It's absolutely filthy. So in the cockpit locker here, we have this foam which kind of helps it seal, but it's all worn. And it's the same around the engine bay as well, so I'm going to go around and then I'm going to sort out that as well. And just deep clean look inside there. That's not been cleaned out, I don't think, since we've had it. Yeah, as you can see, the cockpit floor, it's usually covered with a board. That needs a good scrape and wipe and clean. How's this for great content, eh? Riveting stuff.
Well, ladies, this is why you should have choose to live aboard. Because you won't be the one who's doing the cleaning.
I don't mind cleaning if it's on a boat. I don't mind washing up if it's on a boat. I don't mind painting if it's on a boat. As long as it's on a boat, then it's fun.
Perfect. I washed all the clothes by hand, so we don't have to spend more money on laundry, because we just checked yesterday, pound against the euro dropped quite a lot, so we might be dangerous.
So, I'm just looking now at this solar vent, and it works sometimes when it's really bright, but if you look at the top, it's filthy. Wow! I went inside just to poke around, and it just popped out, just slides out. What a mess. And there we have a solar vent. Beautiful. Allez, allez! The weather has changed to dull and cool again. Much better fitting weather for the coronavirus apocalypse.
In a completely free market, unsupervised by kings and priests, avaricious capitalists can establish monopolies. Even worse, greedy bosses might curtail the workers' freedom of movement.
That was a private show. For the record, it's not only because of the coronavirus. Mark has been like this all the time. So finally, we used our last egg for egg fried rice. How much do you want? Is that enough?
A bit more.
This is a vegan black bean sauce. And it's very, very salty. This is what we eat when we have like a fried rice dish just to top it up. Gotta wear sunscreen even when you're under lockdown because the sun is right there.
We don't have any sort of curtains on our windows.
Such a nice day that trying to seducing us to go out.
It's really nice, but it's cool outside. Cold. I'm about to beat Nadiana at chess for the 4th time in a row.
No, I'm gonna take my throne back.
We're gonna get some exercise in the cockpit.
This is insanity.
Yeah, I know. I'm gonna coach. Right. No pee-peeing. Come on. High knees. Knees straight up. Come on.
Look at our new invention, double filter. This is a tea bag, but it's with really good, how do you call this kind of cloth? Mesh. Welcome to the lockdown with limited food and simple quick cooking class. Today we're gonna do pasta with corn with Chinese sauce. Okay, when the water is boiling, you put desired amount of pasta in. Check out my little wood project. Ding ding! It's my onion and garlic board. Half onion. Mark request for 10 pieces of these for his fishing. There you go.
Thanks.
Let's check on the pasta. My technique is just try to cut it with chopstick. And if you can cut it easily, that means it's alright. It's cooked. It needs a little bit time. Put your oil in. If you want your kitchen smell good, put onion and garlic in first. Now put the corn in. Now put your noodle back in. To bulk it up, Mark likes some peanuts in it. Whoa. Last step, enjoy your meals.
Enjoy your meal. Thank you.
How is it?
It's good.
Honestly.
Honestly, of course, it's always good. I just came in from the hatch to find Nadiana doing this.
This is
No, but you were doing it higher up. You were doing it on your bum. Yeah, you were doing it there.
I know, this is 1,000 years old. 5,000 years wisdom, man. Seriously.
Yeah, I know, it's good, but
Yeah.
it was just a surprise to see you banging on your ass when I came in.
No, but it's like you exercising it. And you like, if your, how do you say, like, if your veins all like running well, then you don't have any disease. And there is another movement, which is this, and then you do like this. Like, I'll show you here. The bone is here, so you like this. Not great.
I'm just being ignorant. I know it's good for you.
Thank you.
So Nadiana's let me go out shopping. So hopefully we can get some stuff, and there's some stuff still left. Back to the boat. Let's see what Nadiana thinks about my haul from the supermarket. Right, so first of all, no eggs. Yogurt, that was €2.
2. So they raised the price.
That's a different one though, I think. And that was €1.27.
Okay. Flip.
Got apples.
Okay.
How much do you think?
3.
$3.79. Wow. Powdered milk, which they still have.
Nice.
And flour. Now this one you're gonna get really pissed off at me.
Why?
Because it's the only flour that they had left.
Yeah.
And it was €2.39.
Not.
€2.30.
€2.30.
Yeah.
Supreme.
It's the best. The problem, the good thing about it is, it's the best flour on the earth.
Yeah, that's fine. We can have some treat at the end of the.
Cookies. And I got sardines, which were like €2.50 for 3. Total's about €16, something like that.
Fine. Not bad. I mean, at least there are some still left.
So this is the situation. We've got Samson Post here, and it's currently just lying alongside this bulkhead. I think there's a screw going in. There's a little bit of fiberglassing going on. It's kind of fiberglassed in, but it's not an incredibly tight job. So that's where we are. Now, my plan is to lift up the post up through the deck, about half the size of the bulkhead, bolt it through there instead of it being fiberglassed as it is now, and then sorting it out at the top, putting the original brass bar through, which needs rebending. And then another thing is around the sides here, how do we build that up with wood, and my lack of experience. So I've put this in this video so that all of you amazing subscribers can give us some advice on what to do. Is this a good idea? Before I just plow ahead with it, I'm going to get people's advice. So what do you think about the Samson Post? Is it a good idea to do it that way? Please bear in mind, can't go to any DIY shops. All the DIY shops are closed. So this is kind of doing a job with what we've got. Alright, finally finished editing this video together. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much in advance for your Samson Post advice. So hopefully we can get that done. Maybe in the next video or the next 2 videos. Obviously we're still locked down. Thanks for everyone's advice. You've given us loads of new jobs to get going with. One of those jobs being cleaning the bilges, which is one that I'm absolutely not looking forward to, but something that needs to be done. And to you guys especially who have been to our coffee page, I bet I sound like a broken record, thank you everyone, at the end of every video, but it is so helpful to us. I'm not going to mention any names because so many of you have been so generous, but thank you very, very much. It's a pleasure to talk to you as well on the emails and through the comments as well. So thank you very much for watching, and see you on Tuesday for another riveting video, which I'm sure is going to captivate everyone and entertain you very much.